Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you've always wanted to build a Notion dashboard that keeps you organized, productive, and totally on top of things, then you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have set up a custom dashboard from scratch, even if you're brand new to Notion. We'll cover the layout, the databases, and all the productivity-boosting sections that I use myself, plus a few design touches to make everything really feel like home. Let's jump right in. First, we'll create a brand new dashboard page. On the sidebar in Notion, just click the little plus new page button. Think of this as your command center, the one place where you'll see everything important at a glance. Give it a name that feels motivating, maybe My Dashboard, and if you want a personal touch, add an icon like a cozy little house emoji and a cover image. Trust me, these small visual cues can make your dashboard feel inviting and uniquely yours. Now type heading in the page to add different headings. These sections will help you keep it all organized and easy to scan. Next up, let's set up your core sections. A truly effective dashboard is modular, meaning each part of your life or work is clearly separated and easy to find. Start by thinking about the categories you need most. Typically, that's a tasks or to-do list, a calendar for deadlines or events, a goals section, projects you're working on, and a place for quick notes. I like to use emojis for my section headings, like a checkmark for tasks, a calendar for dates, a bullseye for goals, a folder for projects, and a little brain for notes. Not only is it visually fun, but it makes each section instantly recognizable, so your eye goes right where it needs to. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty, adding a task database. On your dashboard page, type Table and select Database Inline. This will let you manage tasks directly on your dashboard without switching pages. Rename it Tasks. The properties you choose here have a big impact on how well your system works. Start with Task Name, that's your main title. Then add Status, Use Select, and create categories like To Do, In Progress, Done, Due Date for deadlines, Priority to help you zero in on what matters most, and optionally you can add a project relation to link each task to a project. Here's a tip: create different views for your task database. Try the board Kanban view for dragging tasks from in progress to done, the calendar view to see deadlines, and a simple table view for sorting and filtering. This way you can always see just what's relevant in the moment. Next, let's build out your projects database. Create another inline database and call it Projects. Add key properties like project name, status. I usually use planning, active or completed, and deadline for each project milestone. For a truly integrated system, make tasks a related database so you can open a project and see all the tasks associated with it. Here's a little pro trick. Add a roll-up property to show the percent of tasks completed for each project, so you can instantly see progress without digging around, which is super motivating when you've got multiple things going on. Now, no dashboard is complete without a solid goals section. This doesn't need to be complicated. A simple database or even just a list works well to track your goals. List each goal, add a timeline property for things like Q1, Q2, etc., and a progress bar or percentage. You can do this with Notion's formula property or just manually update as you move forward. Be sure to keep this section visible. It's easy to get caught up in daily tasks, so having your larger goals right on the dashboard is like having a compass, always pointing you in the right direction. Remember, as you build out your dashboard, it's okay if you tweak and adjust things along the way. Everyone's workflow is a little different. Don't worry if something feels complicated at first. Notion really shines once you customize things to fit your style. Alright, that's your starter toolkit for building a powerful, beginner-friendly Notion dashboard. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more practical Notion tips. Drop your questions in the comments. I'd love to help you build the setup that really works for you. Thanks so much for watching.